Hello students, once again welcome back to my channel. In the previous videos of quadratic equation, I have already discussed with you the introduction on quadratic equation and the ways of solving quadratic equation. And in this video, I will share some problem sums with you. So let's start with sum 1. Sum 1 is find two consecutive positive even numbers whose product is 224. Since it's an even number, we cannot consider the number to be x. We have to consider 2x, right? Let the two consecutive positive even numbers be 2x and 2x plus 2. Why not 2x plus 1? Since we want to consider even number. Suppose it would have been 2x plus 1. Suppose the first even number is 2, then 2x plus 1, that is 2 plus 1 would have been 3. So it would not have been an even number. So we add 2 to 2x. So two consecutive positive even numbers are 2x and 2x plus 2. Right? Now we have to consider the product to be 224. That is 2x multiplied with 2x plus 2 gives us 224. So this is according to the question. So let's multiply 4x square. We multiply 2x and 2x, we get 4x square. 2x multiplied with 2 is 4x equals to 224. Now we divide by 4 on all the sides. So x square plus x, we bring 224 on the left hand side after dividing by 4. So we get 56 after dividing 224 by 4. And then it becomes x square plus x minus 56 equals to 0. Now we will break 56 in such a way so that we get x as well as minus 56. So 56 factors are 8 and 7. So 8 and minus 7 can be the factors of 56 because 8 times 7 is 56. And we know 8 minus 7 is 1. So we can write here. I've already shown you the method in part 1. X squared plus 8x minus 7x, because we know 8x minus 7x gives us x minus 56 equals to 0. Now let us take x common here. So x plus 8 minus, we take minus 7 common here. So we get x plus 8 equals to 0. Now what we take out? X plus 8 and x minus 7. This x and this minus 7. So let us write x plus 8 and x minus 7 equals to 0. So therefore x plus 8 equals to 0. If x plus 8 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 8. And if x minus 7 equals to 0, we get x equals to 7, right? When x equals to 7, so two consecutive positive integers are 2 times 7. Since we have considered the positive integers as 2x and 2x plus 2. So 2 times x, that is 2 times 7 is 14. And 2x plus 2, that is 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16, right? So when x equals to 7, we get positive integers as 14 and 16. But when x equals to minus 8, 2 times minus 8 is minus 16. And 2 times x plus 2 is minus 16 plus 2 is minus 14. But we want here positive integers, right? Not negative. So the answer is 14 and 16. So this is how we solve. Now moving to sum 2. In a school auditorium, the number of seats in each row is 8 fewer means less, than the number of rows. How many seats are in each row if there are in all 609 seats in the auditorium? So let the number of rows be x. We have considered the number of rows to be x. So the number of seats is 8 less than the number of rows. So we subtract 8 from x. So we get number of seats to be x minus 8. Now if we multiply rows with seats, we get total number of seats in the auditorium, which is 609 mentioned. So x, that is rows multiplied with seats, which is x minus 8, gives us 609 according to the sum. Now let us multiply x. So we get x multiplied with x is x squared minus 8x, and we bring 609 on the left hand side. So we get x squared minus 8x minus 609 equals to 0. Now we factorize 609 in such a way so that we get 8x. So the factors are 29 and 21, because 29 multiplied 21 29 multiplied with 21 gives us 609. And we have to take out the factors in such a way so that we get the middle term as x. So minus 29 plus 21x gives us minus 8x, because 29 minus 21 is 8. So we consider the greater number to be negative, so that our answer is also negative, because we want a minus here, right? We have not done x squared plus 29x minus 21. No, because we want a minus sign here. So we consider minus 29x plus 21x, right? Now we take out common x. So x minus 29 is common. Again, plus 21, we take out common, and x minus 29 is left, right? So we get x minus 29 and x plus 21 equals to 0. X minus 29 we write here, and x is this x, and plus 21 equals to 0. So either x minus 29 equals to 0. So if x minus 29 equals to 0, we get x equals to 29. And if x plus 21 equals to 0, we get x equals to minus 21, right? But x cannot be negative. Why? Because the number of seats, number of rows, these cannot be negative. So x equals to 29. So number of rows is 29, and number of seats will be 8 less. So 29 minus 8 will be 21. Now moving on to sum 3. The length of a prayer room is 3 meters more than its width. If the area of the room is 36 meters square, find the length and width of the room. Now let the width or breadth of the prayer room be x meters. Right? Now the length is 3 meters more. So we write x plus 3 meters, right? Now we know area is length into breadth. So length is x plus 3 and breadth is x. So x multiplied with x plus 3 gives us 36, because the area is mentioned as 36. Right? Now let us multiply. So x square plus 3x equals to 36. We take 36 on the right hand side. So minus 36 equals to 0, right? Now let us solve by the formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, right? Now this is a standard form of a quadratic equation. If we compare with ax square plus bx plus c, we see a equals to 1 because the coefficient of x square is 1, b is 3, and c is minus 36, right? So we will substitute the values in this in order to find x. So minus 3 plus minus 3 square minus 4 multiplied with 1 multiplied with minus 36 divided by 2 times 1. So let us substitute the values. So we have substituted the values. Now let us solve it. So minus 3 plus minus 3 square is 9. 4 minus becomes plus. 4 times 36 times 1 is 144. 2 times 1 is 2. 9 plus 144, this one is 153. So we take out the square root. I have already explained in my Vedic math videos how to find out the square root very easily. So minus 3 plus minus 12.4 divided by 2. So minus 3 plus 12.4 divided by 2, minus 3 minus 12.4 by 2. But x cannot be negative because the length and breadth cannot be negative, right? So we solve this. X equals to 12.4 minus 3 is 9.4 divided by 2 is 4.7. So width of the room is 4.7 meters and length of the room will be 3 meters more. So we add 3 to it, we get 7.7 meters. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon, because soon I will upload the quadratic equation part 4 as well. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a great time.